Welcome to Steve Jobs School. Welcome to Steve Jobs School. Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope everyone is doing great. Today's session will be about shapes. 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 It's a square. It's a square. Square. What color is the square? It's a yellow square. It's a circle. It's a circle. It's a circle. What color is the circle? It's a blue circle. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. What color is the triangle? It's a green triangle. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. What color is the rectangle? It's a red rectangle. Student Book, page 86. Listen and color. Listen and color. Color the square green. Color the square green. What number is the square? What number is the square? It's number 2. So we color the square in green. Color the rectangle orange. Color the rectangle orange. What number is the rectangle? It's number 4. So we color the rectangle in orange. Color the circle red. Color the circle red. What number is the circle? What number is the circle? It's number 3. So we color the circle in red. And of course, number 1 is a triangle. A triangle. So we color the triangle in blue. We color the triangle in blue. Workbook, page 84. Workbook, page 84. Trace with 4 colors to match. Trace with 4 colors to match. How many circles do we have? How many circles do we have? We have 2 circles. We have 2 circles. So we should trace the circles in 1 color. We should trace the circles in 1 color. How many squares do we have? How many squares do we have? We have 2 squares. We have 2 squares. So we color the squares with another color. How many rectangles do we have? How many rectangles do we have? We have 2. We have 2 rectangles. So we trace the rectangles in one color. What about the triangles? How many triangles do we have? We have 2 triangles. So we trace the triangles with one color. So look, the triangles are traced with red. Squares are traced with blue. And circles are traced in pink. Rectangles are traced in yellow. Workbook, page 84. Draw and say the shapes. Draw and say the shapes. Number 1, for example, this is a hanger. This is a hanger. It's in the shape of a triangle. So we draw a triangle. What about number 2? Number 2. A circle. Number 3. Number 3. Square. Number 4. Number 4. Rectangle. Number 5. Number 5. Square. Number 6. Circle. Number 7. Triangle. And number 8. Rectangle. So how many circles do we have? We have 2 circles. So what number are the circles? What numbers are the circles? It's number 2 and 6. What about the squares? What numbers are the squares? It's 3 and 5. Very good. What numbers are the rectangles? Number 4 and 8. And what numbers are the triangles? It's number 1 and 7. Very good. Here's the correction. Student book, page 87. Count the shapes. For example, number 1. What shape is this in red? What shape is it? It's a triangle. Very good. It's a red triangle. And how many triangles are in the picture? How many triangles are in the picture? So in each picture, we should count the triangles, the rectangles, the circles, and the squares. And then we should give names to each picture. These are means of transport, remember? We have already dealt with means of transport. So this is a train. Number 2. This is a plane. A plane. And number 3, this is a bus. Last but not least, number 4, it's a boat. It's a boat. Very good. So here is the correction. Count and circle. Workbook, page 85. For example, here, this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. So we have 2. We have this rectangle and this one. So we have 2. So we circle number 2. What about the squares? How many squares do we have? So if you know the answer, circle either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. The same thing for circles. How many circles do we have? And how many triangles do we have? Here's the correction. Listen and match. Student book, page 88. Listen and match. Number 1. You are flying your plane. You are flying your plane. Number 2. There is a cafe under the plane. There is a cafe under the plane. Number 3. Land your plane. Land your plane. Number 4. Get out and go to the cafe. Get out and go to the cafe. Number 5. Ask for a lots of ice cream. Ask for a lots of ice cream. And number 6. Yummy. Yummy. So in each picture is framed with a color. For example, here the picture is framed in a green color, here with blue, this one with purple, this one red, this one yellow, and this one orange. So we should match each number with the right picture. Here is the correction. Goodbye, dear students. See you for another session.